welcome to my channel. Please make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. On today's video, I'm coming to you with another drugstore makeup look. So one of the items is going to be my first time trying, which is the Sassy and Chic foundation. So this is in dark 1. So I'm going to be trying this, and I think this was purchased at the Dollar General or the Dollar Tree, one of them, and it's only $1. Yes, a foundation for $1. They don't have many color selections, of course, but hey, for $1, ain't gonna hurt to try. So I'm gonna see how I like the foundation, and I don't know if it's my tone. I don't know, but we're gonna see. So this is a bottle. It's a tube, and just squeeze the product out here. So how many ounces is it? This is a 1 ounce bottle. And okay, so the directions say to use, apply and blend with fingertips. So I would try one side with the fingertips and the other side with my beauty blender, of course. So let's see. Oh, looks a bit too light. It feels creamy, like a creamy foundation. Okay, let's see. This with the fingertips. Oh my gosh, this color is way off. So they call this dark? I don't know. I don't know, y'all. Oof. You walk around here looking like Casper. It feels like a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream. That's what it feels like. Okay, that's one side. Let me do the other side. Actually, I'm going to use my Fedarica beauty sponge. Okay, so this is the side that I done with the beauty sponge, and this is the side I apply with my fingertips, as it says on the bottle. So when I apply it with the beauty sponge, it makes it look like really natural. So like I said, it's more like a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer. So yeah, it's not bad for $1 actually. Just the color is a little off, but yeah, it's not bad. But I will not be applying it with my fingertips, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the other side with the beauty blender. Overall, I just want to say it's pretty good for $1. Pretty good for $1, and I repeat, it's more like a BB cream. So if you really like foundation or whatever, and you're on a budget, this would be a pretty good one for you. It's just pretty hard to match your skin tone, so I don't know, but I think it's pretty cool for $1. Like, oh my gosh. Let's do the rest of the face. So since we're using all drugstore brands, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And it's in caramel. Okay, so for contour, I'm using my Black Radiance contour stick in Ebony. So I'll fade it off if you can read it. The setting powder I'm going to use is my Black Radiance loose setting powder. I'm going to set my highlight with that, and that's in the color Banana. And I'm going to set my contour with the Black Radiance pressed powder in Ebony. The blush I'm going to be using is the Milani Baked Blush in Carolina. It's number 8. For the brows, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. brow pencil in deep brown. And I'm going to do the brows off camera and I'll be back. The e.l.f. liquid liner in jet black. The mascara I'm using is the Maybelline the Colossal Volume Lash Mascara. Okay, so I'm not doing any eyeshadow or anything, nor strip lashes. I basically just wanted to try out that foundation and just do the rest of the face in the drugstore look. Let's see. So for the lips, I'm just gonna do, what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna do my e.l.f. clear lip gloss. The completed look, guys, using all drugstore makeup, and first time trying this dollar foundation. So if you guys want to try, check out your local, I think it's a Family Dollar, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, I don't know which one, but this is the Sassy and Chic. And I tried the dark number 1, and remember I said it's mainly like a BB cream or tinted moisturizer. So It's really lightweight, and I think it's pretty good for $1. Like, can't complain about that. But it's pretty hard to find your it's pretty hard to find your shade, of course. So, but after everything, after all the powder and the blush and all that, I think it turned out pretty good. You really can't tell a big difference. Like, so I'm very impressed. Very impressed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on that bell so you can receive notifications each and every time I upload a video. Stay tuned to the next video. Be blessed. Bye.